Most developers are confident in their test suite until a production bug reveals the edge case they never thought to write. Start by pasting your function directly into an AI prompt and asking, what edge cases should I test for this function? AI will analyze the input types, return values, and code paths to enumerate scenarios you might never have considered on your own. What used to take a whiteboard session now takes seconds. AI is especially good at spotting classic boundary conditions: null or undefined inputs, empty arrays or strings, zero, negative numbers, and values that cause integer overflow or floating point precision errors. These are the failure points developers routinely skip when focused on the happy path. You can go further by pasting your existing test file into the prompt and asking, what scenarios are missing here? AI will compare your coverage against the function's behavior and flag the gaps, saving you from discovering them in a code review. AI also brings language and framework awareness. It knows about Python's silent large integer handling, JavaScript's type coercion quirks, and React's rules around hook order. So you get edge cases tailored to your specific stack, not just generic testing advice. AI is a powerful thinking partner for edge case discovery. Use it to analyze functions, audit existing tests, and get stack-specific insights. Follow for more interview prep. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.